delicious. Hi everybody, welcome to Bab's Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook fried kimchi rice. Do you know, some days ago I made kimchi, you remember? But this kimchi, little bit 3 days or 5 days, and then after germination, little bit sour. It's very, very nice, even nice, very, very nice. This fried rice, with fried rice. Also, kimchi has many, many probiotics. This kimchi is maybe many months ago I did. You know, kimchi many years or 5 years more delicious. You will be very surprised. So, Korea in a house, if they don't have any some special food, and then they with this kimchi and some pork or any something ham, something fried with rice and give to children or eat with the family, they are very, very happy. We like very much fried kimchi rice. So I will show now, introduce ingredients and this rice. You know, rice normally white, but I use black rice together. This black rice is very good for health. Also kimchi, and then onion, and then sausage and ham. Also use oil, and then cooking oil and sesame oil and some soybean sauce. Also this mayonnaise. You know, this when you make a fried rice, mayonnaise is very important. You know, mayonnaise is with oil, egg, this did. So when you make a fried rice, and very much mild and very delicious. Let's start make. First we put the cooking oil. We fried this onion. And then ham and sausage. And kimchi. And a little bit soybean sauce. Mayonnaise, about 1 spoon. Yes. And then we fry. Looks very nice start. You know, when you make fried kimchi, I told you we put this mayonnaise is a very much nice tip. When you put mayonnaise and very much mild and very special taste. You can make a kimchi because last time we cooked kimchi and very simple. And this for make a kimchi, you can buy material everywhere, every country. You know, already I explained to you about mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is with one make, you know. But this camera person said, she pushed it to me, continue, I must introduce mayonnaise, you know. Because you know, I'm not mayonnaise employee, I'm not mayonnaise company's employee. Why? Mayonnaise, I know everybody knew that mayonnaise make oil and eggs. What kinds of introduce again? I put rice. She's very funny. She continue with the camera. So this camera is so shake, you know. Very funny. Really looks very delicious. We put a little bit sesame oil. Korean people like so much sesame oil. Do you know sesame oil is very nice smell, also very good for health. Fantastic smell. She asked me, what is this? I say this is my character. This is for me. My character, you know, my cook. My cook is very simple. Also, my cook is well-being food, I say. Nice sausage. Okay, you know, Korean people very much like this, you know, this brown, you know, like this, you know. So we are artificially like this make a brown make. Very nice. They like this very much. So nice. Ooh, very nice. Fantastic. Every Korean people likes so much fried kimchi. This is my character. Ready? Let's put some cheese. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.